Nico, Nico, Nico.
I know. Okay, I'm ready.
All right.
Stunning LG Bottom Freezer InstaView Fridge. I promise you we'll all come and try this, okay?
There you go. Thank you.
There we go. Isn't she a beauty? Beautiful. Let's appreciate our executives. Thank you so much. The concept of top refrigerator and bottom freezer. So ideally, we're on now, so we can do that again. Yes, I think we can try. I think Mr. KH, before you leave, Mr. KH, you can join us on stage just to capture a short photo.
Alafu wafunge tena, alafu close and lock.
As they're doing the photo session, I can highlight once again what's exciting about this product. InstaView door in door with just 2 knocks. You see inside. So I'll mention a few highlights about this Extra for longer, multi-airflow cooling, bottles at home in any modern kitchen. We have some music. We have a special saxophonist. I think you heard him as you were coming in. He can give you some lessons after this. And on top of that, let's welcome Mr. David Sana, people.